Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica van with 120,000 miles. This is a one-owner vehicle with a clean CARFAX report, so no accident history. Lots of great features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of them. You can see the Pacifica is really in great condition. Got a nice bright blue exterior finish. No rust or corrosion. As we mentioned, it's got a clean CARFAX, so it's got no accident history, no salvage or flood history, no negative history whatsoever. No major dents or dings. One right here you can see by the tail light, but the paint's in good condition there. That's really just about the only blemish on this vehicle. Definitely well taken care of, well maintained. Some nice chrome details. Just overall a really well taken care of minivan. This Pacifica comes with the Touring L package, so it's really loaded with a lot of great features. You can see the headliner's in good condition. Leather seats are as well. Got the original floor mats. Navigation, nice big touchscreen display with Bluetooth audio. Lots of great safety features too, such as the parking sensors, backup camera, lane departure warning, collision avoidance, the adaptive cruise control. Really, it's got pretty much every feature you can get on the Pacifica. Nice big console in the middle. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Perfect for the cold wintertime. It's got the dual power sliding doors on each side. Captain's chairs here in the second row, and as typical with the Chrysler vans, you get the STOW-N-GO seating, so those mats will come up and those seats will fold flat into the floor. Of course, you got the separate AC controls here for the second row and third row. The seat will pull forward to give you access back here to the third row seat. Again, very clean, no smoky smell, no pet odor. As a bonus, you also get these dual screens, one on the back of each of the front seats, along with HDMI and USB ports. Also for your headphones, you have a port there. So overall, lots of great features in this van. It's also got the power lift gate. Nice deep storage area here in the back, even with the seats up. But of course, as mentioned, these seats too will fold down flat. So with the second and third row down, you get quite a bit of extra storage if needed. Here's a view of the second row. Again, leather's nice and clean. Really excellent condition. Been inspected, oil changed. Definitely ready for the road. Comes with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Really runs smooth, no rust or corrosion under the hood. Pacifica also comes with a great set of wheels and tires. The rims are 17-inch alloy rims, standard with the touring package. And then you get a nice set of tires. All four tires are over 60 or 70% left on the tread. Definitely nice and smooth on the road. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica van. It's the Touring L package, and as we mentioned, this is a one owner with a clean CARFAX report, so no accident history. We encourage you to check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures of this vehicle, as well as a link to this video and the rest of the inventory, of course, that we have at our dealership. And if you want, you can give us a call or send a text to 252-567-3885. We'll be glad to answer any of your questions or schedule a test drive. Have a great day.